Hello, class. My name is Miss Rivera. On your emails and everything, you're going to see Miss Peñalosa, but I go by Miss Rivera. I am the new sixth grade art teacher. I'm teaching virtual classes, Intro to Art, through Edgenuity, and I'm also teaching in-person classes through Art Expressions. I have posted all the links on Canvas, and I showed in one of these previous videos how to access your Canvas, how to do discussion posts, and how to submit a camera file, which those of us who are doing virtual classes, and if we go to distance classes, we're going to need to know how to do at least those main 3 submissions. If we have any sort of difficulties at all, please feel free to contact me. You can email me. You can also call me during my office hours. Monday through Friday, I'm going to be free from 11:28 a.m. to 12:11 p.m. And then I will also be free for 8th hour, which will be 3:36 p.m. to 4:17 p.m. And you can call me at 918-357-8050 if you have any questions at all, or again, email me at peñalosa.patricia@unionps.org. This class is going to give you a lot of creative outlet. We want to give you projects and ideas on how to think critically and creatively. That is the main purpose of being an artist, is not just creating beautiful images, but it is problem solving, and it is noticing and looking at the world around you through an artistic perspective. Knowing that when you look at a math problem, or when you're in science class, you can see that there is art in science, and there is art in math, and there's art in history. And we're going to go through our artistic journey together and discovering where we can find art in the world around us. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you. We are on a team. You guys are new to middle school. I'm new to teaching. We are both on the same page. So together, I know that we're going to make 2020 one of the best years that we can, and ever, one of the best years ever. And again, I'm definitely here for you guys, and contact me whenever you need any help. I'm going to be posting videos, posting when we're going to have Zoom meetings for my virtual students, and then just letting you guys know about different projects that are coming up, when to bring supplies, when we're going to do ceramics, if we have the opportunity to do that in person. And lastly, again, if you need anything, just let me know. All right. I'm definitely here for you guys.